you want my friend I want bring me down. And the friend where you par with telling me so. Same thing on your
Me no say bro got it. Me say bro.
Manners. What do you mean?
People production.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health and health over wealth. And your health is your wealth, so you don't know. Please, me beg you to take care of it. Eat right, drink right, think right, stay positive in the mind. So me I say, and the heart. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So, in this vlog, you don't know, big up all of the determined fans, them, you know. All of the Professor Nutz fans, them, you see me? Yeah, man, I have a performance showing us from Determined and Professor Nutz. I want party in Miami. You know, them up in Miami are tour right now, you see me? So, big up Buzzumi. You see me? I say, big up Professor Nutz. Those two artists are two icons to me. You know, I open shows for them. Zine? Yes, man. So, you don't know. Yeah, you see me, so we get a target with Determined. I don't know who right now stir up him anger right now in blood a boil. See? So I don't know, Determined as a very humble soul, you know what I mean, real and kind-hearted, because Determined are the man who bring me to chop back, you know. Introduce me to chop back and say, yo, I bring a new real artist, good youth in your hands. You see me? And the rest was history from there. So I say, no, I talk about that already on the platform. Saying so, big up Determined. Saying so, before we start the vlog, I'm going to hear Determined and go on with a way man say and who piss him off. You see me? I have give a big shout out to Triple X, you know, the selector, comedian. Yeah, man, big up Triple X. So I saw this on Smile TV, Smile Jamaica TV, you know. He lost 130 pounds in 3 years. As I can see on the picture, watch it. Chano star. Look at the band, it big, man. Not in a bad way still, you see me, but I not like Triple X. You motivate me, you inspire me. I know you inspire others who are trying to lose weight. You see me? Or if you do anything at all. Just put your mind to it and work hard and you will achieve it. You know what I mean? We say I acting. Who did I get local belly also? Did him exercise and lose it, you know what I mean? I'm remedy, being the man of the same thing, you know what I mean? And yeah, so big up Triple X, you know what I mean? Well done, brother. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so no long chatting. Zine Determined made a post and him tagged me in it. You know what I mean? Him tagged me, Lionfoot TV, King Mix Up, Wayne Lonesome, and Mountain him tag Zine, so big up Mountain big up Wayne Lonesome, big up King Mix Up. See me? Big up Determined. So Determined make a statement and him say, me not take styling from no one, know myself. I don't play with my 3 points. If you yours don't mess with mine, I am not the same Determined you knew. You don't have a clue. Zine, I can see him tag King Mix Up, Motamasi, Lionfoot TV and Wayne Lonesome. I don't know who right now run up him nerves, you know what I mean? So don't play with Determined and them 3 points, because I'm not play with it. Saying so. If you're not tooth, for your tooth. Now my viewers and subscribers, we're going to left on with some performance. So what's Determined right now? The man said, no say, bro, God, him say, bro. Determined, yo, I tell you, say Determined, when it comes to the lyrics, he's a lyricist, good songwriter, talented, energy, vibes, man. I've been around him several times, you know. E-Time Yard at Jamaica. Big up Paula and a wife, you know. Big up Runkos and the rest of you, you see me? Yeah, man. And when Determined in the UK, yeah, regularly roll it off and them come to my yard and boil porridge and eat, you see me? Tough crackers. Yeah, man. History. You see? So, watch where I go on. I don't know. Professor Nutz, big up yourself. See you way. What me show for work with Professor Nutz, 2018. You know what I mean? At the Balaclava High School, I was one of the main acts. Big up Canter, you come shell it down, you know what I mean? Yes, sir. Big up YGP 1 Camp too. Yeah, man, I go in this. So, my viewers and subscribers, no long chatting. Watch the performance and hope y'all feel entertained. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell after. Say, yeah, man, and share, please.
Don't know enough. Me no say bro God. Me say bro. Me no go low. Me no dance go. Me no soft low. Me no stoop low, no. Me no go so. Me no girl. Me no take press. Touch the road. Ever wear a dress. I want big fat Benz on a breast. And I feel up me girl. Man, chop chop. Man, I chop road. Make every girl from round and back road. Chop chop. Man, I chop. Oh, we keep on the phone there. I don't. Bag of money pick up. Money gram pick up. Yeah, nobody get tie up or stick up. Gun for me belly. Bad ambitious. From your something good, Nicky, come link with us. Bro.
Support a madam, me no look friend, no, me no look friend. A 6'6" underground friend put friend. Watch it, pot if you over your friend, I cook them. Some say that them a friend, but a some real all put them. Oh, you want me friend, I want bring me down. And the friend where you par with, tell me so. Same sit down here, you say careful, lick me down. Tell me what me do, you make you hate me so. Mount of things me do for you is like you don't remember. If I never me, you not have no Christmas, December. Garments them love, no heart them door. And the pussy them at support a madam, you know.
The dance jumping on the under. The hero man said, "Ah, you come from." Me say me soon come back. Show the promoter. Me got on to man fi come back on ya. Try to afford more edge water. We can't share with the Vaticana. Wake up Sharon when the Bacarana. She run up the heavy that a dating her sister. Then they go federal bank. Kick back the soldier. Then give it to Ali man and put her in there. Alright. Well, listen, check this honey. Listen, I'm a different teacher. Hands up, come on, let's get back to business. Manners. What do you mean? Who does that? Rolling. Salute. I will tell them to go give me champagne. Money. Sure. I will tell them to make it. Goddamn job.
Hey, Fresh, me give me laugh tonight.
No, show you have to big up Christopher. You don't know Chris, you don't know, so you put on this. Yeah, run the track.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell before you go, so you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.